Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're exploring cultural awareness, understanding and respecting the customs, values, and behaviors of people from different backgrounds. In an increasingly connected world, this is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Cultural etiquette refers to the unwritten rules of polite behavior in a particular society. These rules vary enormously from country to country and even within the same country. For example, in many East Asian cultures, removing your shoes before entering a home is standard. In the UK, it's polite to queue patiently and say thank you to bus drivers. In Brazil, close physical proximity and warm greetings are the norm. Greetings alone can be a minefield. A handshake is standard in many business contexts. A bow in Japan and Korea signals respect. A cheek kiss is common in France, Spain, and Latin America. And in some cultures, eye contact shows confidence. In others, it can seem confrontational. The key is to observe, follow the lead of the locals, and not be afraid to ask. Food and hospitality are deeply cultural. In many cultures, especially in the Middle East and parts of Asia and Africa, refusing food or drink from a host is considered highly offensive. You might hear, "Please eat, you must be hungry." Accepting graciously and expressing appreciation is the right response. A taboo is something considered so socially unacceptable that it's avoided or not talked about. Topics that are taboo vary by culture. Money, politics, religion, and age can all be sensitive in different contexts. Cultural stereotypes, fixed, oversimplified ideas about groups of people, are generally inaccurate and unhelpful. Approaching every individual with fresh curiosity rather than assumptions creates far richer and more genuine interactions. Today we covered etiquette, greetings, food and hospitality, taboos, and the importance of open-mindedness. Cultural awareness is a lifelong practice. See you next time.